that's it. We're doing it. We're coloring our hair at home. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. The reason I'm starting this video in my car with my vlog camera is because मेरा दिमाग officially खराब हो चुका है घर पे बैठ के, and now I have been itching to do something. I was honestly in the mood to cut my hair, but like to get them cut actually. I wouldn't cut my hair on my own, but I'm thinking not. I'll just get like extensions or something, but I am going to color them at home. So you guys have seen my hair, they're already colored, but color को redo कराए हुए बहुत महीने हो गए हैं. So now the bleach is coming through. So I'm in my car. I'm gonna drive and go to my nearest pharmacy and hopefully get the L'Oreal Casting Creme Gloss. I think that's the color, at home color. That's what I'm gonna get. Let's go. So there's a whole range of colors that you can choose from, and I've never done my hair color before, तो मेरे को पता नहीं क्या है. So first of all, epic weather. Second, मैंने groceries भी ले लिए हैं थोड़े से, and I have got the colors. I decided to get a पूरा global color, and I also decided to get highlights. I don't know how I'll do it, but I've got it, so we'll figure it out. And मैंने already सब कुछ sanitize कर दिया. I already had a spray, so I'm gonna sanitize my hands, all the surfaces I've touched, then go sanitize it again, and then get started. एक तो छोटी हाइट होने के इतने नुकसान है ना. So I notice when people vlog, you can always see the steering wheel on their camera, but because I am like shorter, I keep my steering wheel नीचे, so you can barely see it. But and I keep my seat like as close to the wheel as possible, otherwise मेरी टांगें नहीं पहुंचेंगी comfortably. So that's another beautiful perk of being a tiny person. Okay, so I'm going to sanitize the surfaces that I have touched, and I did that before I left also. Such cool lighting पीछे. Okay, so now we are back home and the lighting is beautiful. Ooh, I really like this lighting. I think I should vlog here more often because the natural light is freaking beautiful. I've gotten my color done from L'Oreal before quite a lot of times, and I really trust the brand with it, so that's why I went ahead with this. I just wanted to refresh this color because God knows it, I need it. So this is what the box of the highlight looks like. It has all the instructions at the back, and I जानबूझ के did not go for a very light color because I did not know how light it's going to be, so I want to play it safe. And again, if I do fuck up my hair, I'm just gonna go to a salon later and get it fixed. This box comes with a pair of gloves, a conditioner which is step 2. This is the developer, which I believe is step 1. Yes, step 1A. And then there's the highlight color, which is step 1B. And this is the highlights brush. So I think all you have to do is just like do this. So I'm planning to kind of just say, यहाँ पे मेरे बाल light है ना, so I'm gonna like draw the highlights like this, and I'm gonna try and like put them inside my hair too. Okay, so the highlights will take 30 to 45 minutes. And this is going to take 20 minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply the highlights first, keep them on for 20 minutes or so, after which we are going to apply this global color because this requires literally like half the time. This is what the casting creme gloss wala dabba looks like. Okay, so this one comes with a developer cream, and I like this one a lot more than the highlight one because iska already under hai, like in this bottle itself they have the developer cream, then they have the color. Put the cream inside this dabba and like shake it to mix it. I'm still thinking if I want to do this, but I am now very involved in the process, and now I have like a game plan also for my hair colors. Here goes nothing. So I'm quickly wearing my gloves first, and I have got my foil ready as well. So I'm mixing the developer and the highlighter in this random plastica dabba that came, like I think it had food in it or something. We had it stored because typical middle class family, which I think is great because you're reusing the thing. So I'm going to mix my color in this, and then we're going to dip the brush in
and again pray and get started with the highlight process. Okay, so now that we've added the highlight wherever is it that we wanted it to be, I'm going to just set all of that, like lock it in with the foil paper that we've cut and kept aside. And this is just going to protect the color from spreading to the rest of the hair. Also, I don't want my hair highlighted like everywhere. I just want the lighter color in some places so that there's like some depth and definition. At least that's what I'm hoping for. And yeah, now we are going to keep this on for 25 minutes because the whole process for the highlight is going to take 45 minutes and the other thing is only going to take 20 minutes. So we will keep this on first for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, I'm going to start applying the full global hair color, and then 20 minutes post that is when we are going to wash it off, dry it, style it, and I'm gonna get back to you then.
Okay, so now I have set an alarm for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes is when we'll apply the second color. And उससे पहले ये वीडियो शूट करने से पहले, मतलब कलर लाने के बाद और शूट करने स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैंने खाना वाना बना के रख दिया था. So I've made some really amazing chicken. Today I'm going to show you how it looks like, and we're going to eat right now in the beach ka part that we have, and then we're going to get back to the hair coloring. So there is chicken, which is masu in Nepali, masu and roti for mom because mama is not having chawal, and this is masu bhat for papa. And all of my Nepali folks know how much we Nepalese people love masu bhat, so masu bhat for dinner today. Yay. So अभी मैं living room में shoot करती हूँ, तो अब हमें बीच में खाना पड़ता है. That's mother, and that is my setup where I'm shooting the whole thing. So yeah. क्या बोला आपने मम्मा? मैंने सुना नहीं, ज़रा कैमरे पे बोलोगे?
बहुत ही टेस्टी बना है.
ये बात कहने के लिए क्या मैंने आपको फोर्स किया या एक्चुअली खाना बढ़िया बना है?
भी बहुत अच्छा बना है.
गाइस, मैं एक्सपर्ट हो गया हूँ खाना बनाने में. So Jerry.
Okay, so now 25 minutes have passed. Honestly, अभी बहुत excitement हो रहा है, but समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्या करूँ. So we're going to go to the global hair color now. What I'm doing is, because इसका जो developer है, it already comes in this really convenient, like I don't know, a reverse funnel wala bottle. So all I have to do is just mix the color from the tube that I have, put it inside this container, and then just shake it, mix it really well for your developer to mix with your color. Okay, so this is the really important part. Here you have to make sure that you're starting with your roots, going pura niche, and really covering your hair with all of that color. We don't want it to be upar. So just take your time, be patient with it, take small sections and just get started. Also, I am not wearing a towel or anything because I really don't care too much about this t-shirt. I wear it at home, so I'm not worried about it staining. You can definitely have like a towel or those sheets that you wear when you get your haircut. You can buy them off Amazon or any like local store also, I think. But सबसे आसान तरीका तो is to just wear something that you really don't care about. या तो वो वाला t-shirt जो पोछा बनने वाला हो. So just wear that and you'll be good to go. Okay, so another thing that I am doing before applying all of the color on my head is I'm just gonna add some like oil here because I don't have Vaseline, and also Vaseline breaks me out like if I put it on my face. So I'm just gonna apply some oil on my ears, like the sides here near my forehead, bilkul edge par, and like on my neck so that like staining doesn't happen here. And if I do get some hair color on my forehead or anywhere else on my skin, I'm just going to clean it off with a wipe. And make sure you do that because you really don't want hair color to be on different parts of your face or on your neck.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever.
Okay, so this is the final result of the hair. I'm actually pretty happy with it because I wanted it to be very subdued and subtle, and all the blonde ends are gone. You can also see the subtle highlights over here, and honestly I did want it to be very subtle. ये थोड़ा dark है, like darker than I had expected it to be, but it's actually quite right. It's a dark brown. It is dark brown. So yeah, it's the second day. I'm wearing a very similar t-shirt, but promise you I have changed. I have taken a shower twice already. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and that's kind of the end of this vlog. I'm just gonna go enjoy my donuts right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know that this wasn't a very crazy transformation, but it's kind of the subtle glam that I wanted, and I'm very happy about it. We'll see styling वगैरह के बाद कैसे लगता है in the coming videos, and I'm gonna see you in the next one now. Bye.